Almighty, protect us from those who are trying to harm us and have bad intentions towards us. Keep our hearts from fear and fill it with love and goodness. You are indeed our refuge and strength. Surround us with those who will empower us. May you always be our guide and watch over us. It takes more than willpower to stop worrying. You know that because you've tried it. Yet you can't seem to stop worrying. People who don't know the Almighty and how He works tend to worry more. Hand over what you can't control to Him and let Him take over. Lighten your load. It's a fact that your strength will offend some people. These are the ones who want to control and manipulate you and keep you bound. Don't worry about them. They have no power over you. Only the Almighty does. Trust Him to take care of those who really need help. Remain steadfast. Social media can ruin your marriage. Put together your smart gadgets and social media and you have a volatile combination that can dominate your marriage and control your life. Communication with your spouse should take priority. Don't let anyone else, let alone your gadgets, intervene. Choose peace over conflict. It's a better way to go. Choose silence or choose to walk away from those who are always looking for a battle about someone or something. You can't win even when it's not about you. So don't bother getting drawn into situations that will drain you. There are so many dissatisfied people around us. Those who are always quick to complain. They speak like the whole world owes them a living. Nothing good comes out of their mouths. They can ruin your day and sap your energy. Try your best not to engage them. Pray for such people. Getting close to the Almighty is not something that will happen overnight. It's hard work. Set daily goals. Push yourself but be realistic. Pray. Do all that He's prescribed for you. Do your best. He knows you're trying, but you have to make an effort. Keep going. There's no reason to fear anyone other than the Almighty. Our sustenance is not determined by anyone but Him. When we understand this, it should lead to peace and tranquility in our hearts. If we put our trust in Him alone, we know that everything is according to His decree. Our wisdom is limited. We can't see beyond a certain point and certainly not what lies ahead. Even when you don't understand all the details of the plan, the Almighty, with His divine wisdom, knows everything. Right to the last detail. So why don't we trust Him with our affairs?